Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade V40s, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, like home screen is for me, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound along with this pop-up right here, and after a moment it disappears. Once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application under Library, Screenshots. And here you'll find screenshots along with screen recordings. And there we go, there's the screenshot that I have captured. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.